Hi, I'm James. I'm one of your senior market analysts here at easy-forex. Today, I'm thinking out of the box and I'd like us to talk about copper. Now, there's a lot of talk about copper at the moment, whether or not it is indeed the new oil. Now, copper prices actually plunged by 5% yesterday, touching levels not seen since 2009. In fact, it touched a low of $2.42 per pound. Now, copper is very important because it is seen as an omen towards the state of the global economy. Why, you may ask? Well, it's simple. The red metal is an industrial metal used for manufacturing, industry, engineering, copper pipes, copper wiring, etc. So if prices are dropping on copper, that means demand may be waning, which is not a good sign for industry or manufacturing at all. Now, there's several reasons behind this potential drop. First of all, the World Bank actually downgraded its growth forecast for 2015 down to 3%, down from 3.4%. The other reason, there is talk about copper producers actually letting prices drop. Why? Simple. A, to keep cash flow in the market. B, to take out the smaller, medium-sized producers, and C, to increase market share. A strategy many analysts are saying is what OPEC is doing right at the moment with crude oil. The final reason is China. Now, China is the biggest purchaser of copper, and though they are expected to buy 4.9% more than it did last year, that is still half of what they bought back in 2013. Plus, there's a little bit of concerns as well that manufacturing is slowly declining in China, and there is a gauge showing that it's actually around an 18th-month low. So the question is, if copper does continue to drop, where can it go? Now, like I say, it dropped a low of $2.42 yesterday. If it can break through that level, many analysts are saying it can actually fall all the way down to $1.24, a level not seen since December 2008. But like I said, I'm simply thinking out of the box. This is no way a trading recommendation or advice. I'm James, a senior market analyst here at easy-forex. You trade safe.